this week.
For sure it is.
We can feel it.
100%.
We've made a note for the fallen soldiers. We have a new tombstone for all. Put a new radiator in it, a new fan in it, another motor in it. Oh, there's a lot of oil everywhere, but...
Oh, I found it! It's still sizzling in there.
Yeah, there it is.
Fucking bubbling in there.
Bing bong.
Oh yeah, because I haven't seen this yet. Yeah.
It's got 2 big holes in the
Holy
cylinder wall.
fuck.
It's a good sized hole. Like she's a 2-finger. You could get
easy.
the thumb in there. Tires a little low.
A little bit.
Just on the bottom. Top's still okay, so you're good.
So how you feeling this week?
I feel like I still want to throw up. My tum-tum's upset. Alright, so we're starting in the first heat right after the modifieds go out, so I actually have to get in the car. We're starting pole. Car felt good in the heat, in the hot laps, so we were the quickest in the hot laps. Not that that says anything, but it's nice to be quickest for a change. So yeah, we're gonna start pole in heat 1. That's what we're gonna see what the car does. It was backfiring a little bit, so I don't know if we should pull timing out. We're gonna run it and see what it does.
So how are we feeling about today?
Erect. Very erect. A great day for happiness. There's sprint cars, there's cars on 3 wheels. People are gonna be sliding. Listen. Woo!
The control car, so you have a choice. Unless you choose the outside, any of you choose the inside. Slice through, white flags go down, front row fires together at that blue cool little back for it. Nice, tight, square and even. We're coming to green. 6 laps, you're all qualified. 5.
doesn't have anything written on it.
Son of a bitch.
I guess we're pulling it off.
Hey, it was 50-50. That's still winning.
The other side, this is the bigger, 2 3/4 difference.
Well, there's a major difference between this one and that one. What are we doing? Alright, so Danny's expertise. He said we were running good, but the issue was the second we were losing traction, the car started sliding, we were dropping back. So he said to throw a little bit more stagger into it, and hopefully that'll tighten up the car so that we can keep this thing wound out. That way it's actually like competitive. Alright, so we're starting pole for the feature because of handicapping, because we suck. And we haven't been able to put together a good night. So we're just checking out the track. Do a little track vlog. Big Gabe Brad's over there. So we'll go say hi to him. See how the night goes. The motor seems to be holding up. Our water temperature gauge doesn't seem to be working. So at least we got an oil pressure gauge. We're batting 500. If you guys like this stuff, make sure you hit that like button. Comment down below. Let me know what you think.
So who's the guy you're talking about?
Big Gabe Brad.
Yeah, but who is Big Gay Red? Oh, I see him. He's fucking. Yeah, I see him.
Big Gabe. Big Gabe motherfucker.
Coming to green, drivers 15 laps. Good luck. Great attendance tonight. Really appreciate all the mini trucks coming out.
Fuck, I got way too like in my head over there.
What's that?
I got way too in my fucking head over there.
It made it, did everything?
It did.
14? That's close to 11.
The worst part is, I think I probably could have kept up front if I didn't fucking just biff it at
Yeah.
the beginning.
Hey. Maybe.
Shit the bed.
I think you got pushed.
I don't know if I did. I think I just went in way too hot. It was so fucking slick over there.
Kinda looked
and I
like
had
that,
nowhere
though.
to go. I was hoping that I think Pignata coming in underneath me.
Oh.
And I was just like, okay, good, you can take that shit. Like, push me up, push me up.
Yeah. No, you were going through already. It's just like 3 wide in behind you. Maybe I have to review the footage, boys.
Yeah. I think it was probably my fault, but
Car was good though.
it
still runs.
It still runs.
Still fucking runs.
It was running good. That outside line was holding real nice. I
Yeah.
was barely lifting over here.
We got first
Yeah.
in the hot laps.
You didn't get fifth.
We got 5th.
Got some
14th. If you
fresh.
divide and add plus subtract it, yeah, it's top 10.
How's the front end look?
Do the average?
You
Yeah,
fucked
yeah,
that. It's top 10.
It's ripped.
Fuck yeah, buddy.
Put some stuff in there. That was awesome.
It was fun passing a bunch of people.
Yeah.
That was nice.
I think we finally got a little something here.
That was good. Oh, that was good. The motor kept running. I was really worried about going back out on the track after that accident because I kind of figured that because we don't have a temperature gauge,
Oh,
that
the rad might
that
have.
rad might have fucking pooched. Didn't, that I know of. I don't know if it's overheated, but it didn't blow up in that time. So race monitor says, what did we get? 12th?
12.
13th?
Right, yeah, bumped to 13.
Let me just double check this again before I spread some false rumors. 13th. The 13, we got the 13 in the 13th spot. So the car ran pretty good. Other than me shitting the bed on the first lap. We sat over there for probably like a half an hour and like, I don't know, I just got way too like in my head, I guess. Just like went out, just like, but plus like into 1 and 2 was slick, so whatever. The high side worked really good. I haven't looked over everybody else's lap times to see kind of how we were running that way. For like a stock motor, this thing didn't run that bad, really. We got a little bit of body work that we're gonna have to fix. That's about it. So the car drove on the trailer for the first time in like 3-4 weeks. So I don't know if you guys can hear any of this. Those big cars are out there. But make sure you guys hit that like button, you subscribe, you comment down below, let me know what's up. Support your local dirt track, and we'll see you next time. Yeah!